Welcome. In this demo, we're going to look at the capabilities of the air traffic management utility available in Tellus Studio's Aeronautics Toolkit. The first thing that you'll notice is that the virtual Earth is covered in ArcGIS sectional charts for the United States. Flight data can be imported into Tellus Studio very easily using drag and drop methods. Here, we're importing Excel sheets representing synthetic and actual flight data. As the data is imported, it will display on the map. The Air Traffic Management utility gives users an easy way to examine flights at specific times. The utility also gives users full control over the aircraft displays through the Aeronautics Tools tab. As you can see, the screen is looking a little crowded, so we're going to turn off all the labels with exception to the call signs for the aircraft. Users can filter data based on call sign or type, which allows for examination and manipulation of individual pieces or entire data sets. For example, we can modify the color of the trajectory profile for the filtered data, which changes the visualization on the map. If this modification were performed with no filter in place, then the changes would be propagated to all the flights. Now, this particular set of data did not have any unit associated with the altitude. After looking at it, we figured out that the altitude is represented in feet. Users can easily convert data with the command window without the need to modify the original data source. This is very powerful and allows users to add modifications to or ask questions of the imported data. With filtering, we can take a look at specific flights' actual and synthetic data. By using the timeline, we can examine the life of the flight and set it to a specific time. By using the command window, we can generate a chart for this specific flight. This chart is altitude over time, and both the synthetic and actual data are added so it's easy to make comparisons. Charts can also be built by pulling data fields from the specific flight tracks in the data manager onto an empty chart window. This chart is comparing the cumulative fuel consumption over time for both the synthetic and actual flight data, and as we mouse over the chart, we can see the comparison. When users are ready, they can generate reports from either the chart editor or automate the process through the command window. Charts are not restricted to single flights. Multiple flights can be added to a single chart through the command window. That's all for now. Expect more and visualize like no one else with the Aeronautical Toolkit's Air Traffic Management utility, available only in Tellus Studio.